Hello everyone, welcome back to AppTeacham. So if you are someone who has received the LOI from Cognizant around 29th or 30th May, especially for Python or C# cluster, this video is for you. Offer letters are being officially released. Yes, Cognizant has started rolling them out in phases. So check your inbox carefully. You may have received a mail saying that your offer letter is ready, and within 24 hours you will get another mail with a link to accept it. The mail received states that congratulations and welcome to the Cognizant family. We are delighted to offer you a role with Cognizant, and offered role is the foundation for rewarding career with Cognizant. Our holistic learning and development program will groom you further for an enriching and exciting career with us. The attached offer letter includes an important document with your compensation, benefits, and terms and condition of your employment. You will receive a mail from Cognizant HR@cognizant.com within 24 hours to enable your access to the online portal in which you can accept the offer and complete the pre-joining formalities. Please note DOJ and the location in the portal is tentative and subjected to change. Please do not plan your travel or accommodation until you hear from us. In case of additional queries or concern, you can raise a query and they have given the link to raise the query. So this letter is being released for the candidates who had received their LOI around 29th or 30th May. And please check your inbox. You might receive the second mail as well within 24 hours. So after receiving this mail, you have to accept the offer letter via the second mail, and next process is the background verification step. So prepare your documents in advance. So keep the following documents ready: your all semester mark sheet, provisional degree certificate, your Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport if you have it, voter ID, a passport size photo with a white background and formal attire, and make sure you have consistent names on all your documents. There are 6 other PDF attached in the mail. The first is the offer letter, in which they have given detailed information about your joining. They have mentioned the breakdown of your CTC, the leaves, and all the other claims. Then there is the FAQ document, instruction document, India Employment Agreement, flexible benefits plan, and Cognizant India Employment IP Agreement. Not all LOI holders have received this mail yet. Cognizant is releasing their offer letter phase-wise. So if you haven't received it yet, please stay patient and keep checking your inbox, spam, and promotion folder. The tentative joining dates might be next week itself, so stay prepared and be available. So this is the final checklist. Check your official mail for the offer letter. Accept the offer within 24 hours. Read all the 6 attached documents. Keep all the requirement documents ready. Get your BVG done smoothly and be ready for the joining date. So that was all about today's video. If you have any doubts, please comment it down. And thank you for watching.